Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to deal with changes in budget set. In the last video you come to know about budget line and budget set. So here we are going to study about how budget set changes. Budget set will always change due to some reasons. And what are the reasons which causes to change in the budget set? I will repeat it again. The meaning of budget set. Budget set is a collection of all bundles which are available for a consumer at prevailing market prices at a given level of income. I explained in the previous video about budget set in detail. Okay. So here, what causes change in budget set? What are the factors which will cause to change in budget set? What are the factors? There are mainly two factors which will cause to change in budget set. What are they? The first one is consumers' income. Consumers' income. Second one is price of commodities. Price of commodities. These are the two reasons which will cause to change in the budget set. Commodity, goods, both are same. Don't get confused. You can also say goods. It is not goods. It is goods. In economics, when it comes to economics, it is goods. Okay. Like I said, budget set will change due to these two reasons. One is consumers' income and another one is price of commodities. Let me first draw a budget line. Then I will show you how budget set will change. So this is y axis and this is x axis and this is origin. Here I am going to measure banana and here mango. Okay. So this is budget line and here there are various bundles. On this budget line also there are various bundles are available. And remember one thing, the bundles which lies on this curve will cost exactly equal to consumer's income. Only bundles on this curve. These bundles will cost exactly same amount of consumer's income. And bundles which lies below the budget line, they will not cost entire income of consumer. They will cost less than consumer income. So you already aware about this one in previous video. So our discussion part is today, what causes to change in budget set? What is the reason for why this budget set changes? There are two reasons that budget set will change. One is consumer's income. So let us imagine consumer income is 20 rupees. When consumer is having 20 rupees, so this is the budget line. Consumer was having 20 rupees of income, and when he was having 20 rupees income, so this was his budget line. So in 20 rupees of income, these are the bundles which he was purchasing. But here, if consumer's income increases, so let me say consumer income is M and his income increases from M to M dash. Income is increased. Then what happens? His income has increased from M to M dash, which means he can get more of banana and more of mango compared to earlier. Compared to this bundle, these bundles were having less of both the commodities. Now he can move to another budget line because his income increased and price of goods remains the same. The price of goods remaining the same, when his income increases, his purchasing power will also increase. Well, when his purchasing power increases, his budget line will shift upwards. See here, this was the budget line AB and new budget line is A dash B dash. Why this shifted upwards? Because his income has increased. Earlier his income was M, he was purchasing only on the he was purchasing the bundles which were there on AB budget line, which means, so let me say that only 2 mango and 2 banana he was purchasing when he was having M amount of money income. Now his income is increased from M to M dash. Now he can purchase more of both the commodities. 3 mango, 3 banana he can able to purchase because his income has increased. Okay. Now I can give you an equation. See here, one more thing is, there are various bundles are available on new budget line also. You can draw any budget line. There are various bundles are available on budget line. So here on the A dash B dash new budget line, when his income increased and price of goods are remaining the same, his income increased, his budget line shifted upward, and the bundles which are available on this particular A dash B dash budget line, they will cost exactly equal to his income, and bundles which are there below this curve, there are various bundles. These bundles also comes under, you can see here, only the bundles which are there on A dash B dash budget line, these bundles will cost M dash amount of money income. So here we can get an equation. When he was having M amount of money, the price of banana is P1. In the last video I told you the price of banana is P1, and he will purchase X1 quantities of banana plus the price of mango is P2, and the X2 quantities of mango he will purchase. This equal to his old income, that is M. By multiplying price of the banana and quantities of banana, we will get the amount of income that consumer spends on purchasing banana. And here price of mango is given, the quantities of mango is also given. By multiplying price and quantities of mango, we will get consumer's income that he is going to spend on mango. So this equal to M, it may be equal or it may be less than his income. So these price or the money he can spend exactly equal to his money income, or else he can spend less than his income. He can do, but he cannot spend more than his income. No one can do that. Then this was the old equation. When his money income increased, then that is A dash B dash, that is M dash, new income is M dash, then this equal to, you can say the price of banana is P1 and X1 quantities of banana he will purchase plus the price of mango is P2 and the X2 quantities of mango that he will purchase, and this equal to it may be equal or less than his money income. You can see here, he can purchase the bundles which lies on A dash B dash, that is new budget line. There are various bundles are available on new budget line. He can purchase these bundles, or else if he wants to purchase any bundle in this area, in this entire area, he can purchase, because these bundles will cost less than his money income. Okay, so these bundles A dash B dash, he can purchase various, there are various bundles are available on new budget line. He can purchase any bundle, or else he can purchase any bundle available in this particular area. So here the consumer can spend his entire income on both the goods, or else he can spend less than his money income. Okay, so remember what causes to change in budget set? Consumer income. So we talked about when consumer income increases, then budget line will shift upward. What happens if consumers income decreases? If consumers income decreases, the budget line will shift downwards. Here, if consumers income decreases, his purchasing power will also decrease. His budget line will shift up, leftwards. You can see here, when he was having m dash amount of income increases, income decreases m dash to m double dash. So this is the another new budget line. So his income has increased considerably, which means he got another new budget line. So same income will cause to change in consumers budget set. So when income increases, when price remaining the same, his budget line will shift upwards. If his income decreases, his budget lines will shift downwards. So this is the reason why consumers income caused to change in the budget set. So this was about consumers income. This is how budget set will change. And another reason, that is price of commodities, which means price of banana and price of mango. How they can able to change in the budget set? So remember, this is budget set. This entire place is called as budget set, including this budget curve. Okay. Second reason is how price of commodities will change in budget set. So let me discuss in detail about this particular issue. See here, if the price of both the commodity increases, then consumer's purchasing power will decrease. When consumer purchasing power decreases, budget line will shift downwards. See here, initial budget line is this. See here, I will draw another one budget line. So this is initial budget line. Okay, this is initial budget line. There are various bundles are available. Here banana and here mango I will measure. Price of both the goods, mango and banana, increased. Price of both the commodity increased. What happens then? Consumers purchasing power will decrease. When consumers purchasing power decreases, obviously he will get lesser amount of mango and lesser amount of banana, which means his budget line will shift downwards. So this is the reason, when price of these two goods increases, he will buy lesser amount of both the commodities. When he is buying lesser amount of both the commodity, budget line will shift downwards, this side, left side. It will not shift here up, upwards. So in case the price of good decreases, remember, price of good decreases, his budget line will shift upwards. Why? When the price of mango decreases, when the price of mango and banana decreases, he will get more amount of mango and more amount of banana, which means his purchasing power increases. That means budget line will shift upwards. Okay, so this is how the budget set will, so this is budget set. Collection of all possible combination of two goods is called as budget set. So these are the all possible collection of bundles. But here these bundles are not available for consumer because these bundles are out of his budget. Okay. So what we discussed so far? We discussed about budget set and what are the reasons for change in the budget set. There are mainly two reasons: consumer's income and price of goods. We discussed about how consumers income leads to change in budget set and how price of commodity leads to change in budget set. Thank you.